Imagine a young girl, not even an adult, being forced into marriage just because a religious law permits it. Can this really happen in modern India? Well, not anymore. The Kerala High Court recently made it crystal clear. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act or PCMA triumphs over personal laws, including Muslim law. Stick around to understand how this landmark judgment impacts everyone, regardless of religion, and what you can do if your rights are violated. The judgment of the Kerala High Court that ruled the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act takes precedence over Muslim laws is nothing short of revolutionary. This ruling puts the spotlight on child rights, making it clear that no child, regardless of religion, should be married off before reaching adulthood. The case involved a 16-year-old girl married under Muslim law, but her husband was later arrested under the PCMA. The court had to decide which law should prevail, and the answer was clear. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act protects all children and it takes priority over personal or religious laws. This ruling sets a strong message that the law of the land, especially when it comes to protecting children, is above any personal or religious traditions. Here's a summary of what is going to be discussed. First, PCMA overrules personal laws. The court held that the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act applies to everyone, regardless of their religion. 2. Child protection comes first. The primary goal of PCMA is to safeguard children from early marriages, ensuring their well-being and development. 3. Legal clarity on Muslim law. While Muslim personal laws allow for early marriages, the court emphasized that national laws supersede this in matters of child marriage. Let's break this down. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act or PCMA 2006 was enacted to prevent early marriages and safeguard children's rights. The Kerala High Court in this case ruled that the act prevails over the Muslim personal law, which traditionally allowed marriages after puberty. This verdict sends a strong message. No child should be forced into marriage, no matter what personal laws say. The court made it clear that Article 21 of the Constitution, which protects the right to life and personal liberty, is more important than religious laws. The court ruled that child marriage violates a child's right to live with dignity, to be educated, and to grow up free from harm. These rights are far more critical than any religious practice. Citing the 2017 Supreme Court decision in Independent Thought versus Union of India, where the court ruled that sexual intercourse with a minor wife amounts to rape under Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code. The Kerala High Court echoed this sentiment. The PCMA's application is universal and stands above all personal laws. The judgment reinforces the Parsi Marriage and Divorce Act and the Special Marriage Act, where national laws already prevent child marriages in other religious communities, making it fair and uniform for all Indians. But what does this mean in reality? It means that a minor girl, even if married under Muslim law, can now be protected under the PCMA. A marriage is not valid and legal actions can be taken against those who arranged it. If you or someone you know is being forced into a child marriage, here's what you can do. First, file a complaint under PCMA. Any child or the guardian can report a child marriage to the police or a child marriage prohibition officer. The police are required to act immediately. 2. Seek protection. The Child Welfare Committee or CWC can provide immediate protection to the child at risk. They can remove the child from the harmful situation and ensure their safety. 3. Legal action against perpetrators. The people responsible for arranging the marriage, including family members, can face serious criminal charges under the PCMA. They can be imprisoned for up to 2 years and fined. 4. Void the marriage. Under the PCMA, any child marriage can be declared void, meaning it has no legal standing. The minor can apply to the court to declare the marriage invalid up to 2 years after becoming an adult. In a recent update, the Kerala High Court reiterated that this ruling applies uniformly and the courts across India are now likely to follow this precedent. Other high courts are now examining similar cases where personal laws is clashing with the PCMA. Additionally, in 2023, A bill was introduced in Parliament to raise the legal age of marriage for women from 18 to 21 years, aiming to further curb early marriages across all communities. If passed, this will have a significant impact on child marriage laws nationwide. Let's recap the major points. First, the PCMA supersedes Muslim personal laws when it comes to child marriages. 2. The court has prioritized children's rights to safety and education above religious customs. 3. Protection mechanisms are available to prevent and annul child marriages. 4. The judgment ensures uniform application of child protection laws across all religions. This landmark judgment is a huge step forward for protecting children's rights, ensuring that no child, irrespective of religion, is subject to an illegal marriage. If you believe your rights are being violated or someone you know is at risk, take immediate legal action. Stay informed and stand against child marriages and spread awareness in your community. Together, we can ensure that no child is ever forced into a marriage and that every child in India has the right to a safe and happy future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more important legal developments. Take care and bye.